Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be something a little bit different. Since it's my birthday this weekend, I was presented with I need to read it. Serena's custom homemade Bibbidi Bobbidi box. How cute is this? So my best friend Sarah, who is here by the way.
Hi.
I wanted to share this box with you guys because it's all homemade and it's for my birthday and it's really sweet. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. So we're gonna open it up. Aww. Look at it, guys. Oh, that's sweet. I'm gonna read it. So it says, Serena, a friend is one of the nicest things you can have and one of the best things you can be. Winnie the Pooh. Aww. Happiest birthday to you, my bestie. Aww. It's so cute. Thank you. Okay, now I get to open it. And it's all in pink. She knows me well. Okay, I'm just gonna, just because I see it first. Oh my God. The girl knows I like stickers. They're so sweet. Oh, those will go good for the scrapbooking too. Oh, those are awesome. I love it. I'm just gonna. What is this? Snack bags? No way. Oh my God, guys. It's freaking Mickey snack bags. Okay, so for those who don't know, I love snacks. Pockets are not pockets, they're snack holes. Like, I love snack bags. Oh, these are fun. Oh my gosh. And they're pretty too, and they feel good. So there's two, I can't really see. There's two kinds. And then the mini. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. Oh. Oh goodness. It's a Tinkerbell. A little ornament. Oh my goodness. Oh, she's pretty. I have to open her. Oh my God, Sarah. Oh, that is so pretty. So here she is. So it looks like she's not gonna really focus. I love Tinkerbell. Oh, I love it, I love it. Okay, so the next thing, I feel multiple things. What is this? An emoji magnet kit? What? Do you make your own magnets? I don't know if I've ever seen this. Do you make your own magnets? Did you get a magnet? So you get a whole bunch of different magnets? So it's like an unboxing, so you don't know which one you're gonna get?
I think you get them all.
You get them all? You do get them all. Oh, that is cool. Oh my gosh, you really do get them all. Like, all of them. I know you can't really see, but. Oh, that is so cool. Huh. It even has them, who they are. Oh, that is cute. Oh my God, that is so awesome. She knows me so well. And then I know I feel something else in here. Snacks. I got snacks. Oh, that's fun. Minnie Mouse snacks. Well, I'll be eating these soon. It's not one of the gross ones, is it? No. It's just the good one. Bubblegum and birthday cake. Yep. Sounds about right. Fun. What's the box without snacks? There's more in here? Sarah. Aww. Oh, we didn't realize we were making memories. We just knew we were having fun, Pooh Bear. Oh, look at it. It's so pretty. Thank you. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. That was so amazing. Oh, this was such an incredible box. She got everything right, from the little snacks to the little snack pocket hole things that I like to call them. Everything is just perfect. And thank you so, so much, Sarah. Like, it's so amazing. I will cherish it forever. It was just crazy good. And we were talking off camera. She was saying that this is like our unofficial motto. Thank you so much for joining me on my special birthday box unboxing. And if you like this video, like and subscribe, and then I will see you guys later. Bye.